Your legs are swollen and achy, and you have constant pain in your back? The doctor says rest your legs up on pillows, but it's impossible to keep them stacked. Not anymore! Introducing Leg Ramp, the brand new convenient and comfortable way to elevate your legs and feet. Standing or sitting all day can put pressure on your legs, leading to inflammation, poor circulation, and pain. Leg Ramp provides the perfect elevation, helping to quickly relieve this pressure and promote positive blood flow, so swelling and pain are reduced. Now get temporary relief from pain and discomfort like leg swelling, vein problems, restless legs, or achy backs. The plush, durable suede surface makes it so comfortable, perfect for the sofa while watching TV. Even use it to quicken recoveries from surgery or other injuries.
Leg Ramp is simply a better way to elevate your legs. Its comfortable design can speed up recovery by moving the blood away from the affected area. I recommend it to all my patients who need relief and want to heal faster.
The precise angles of elevation are designed for ultimate comfort and maximum benefit, contouring perfectly to the shape of your legs. And it's the best way to elevate your legs in bed for a good night's rest. Even use it on the floor to help lower back or hip pain.
The aching and the swelling in my legs is gone now, thanks to Leg Ramp, and I'm so happy.
Leg Ramp makes my back feel great again.
This thing really works.
Give your legs a rest with Leg Ramp today for just $19.99. It comes with the Easy Air Pump and our free extended 10-year guarantee. But wait, call right now and you can get a second Leg Ramp. Plus, you can get a 10-pack of Air Police 4 non-medical masks with 4 layers of protection, plus a customizable nose piece for a secure fit. Just pay a separate fee. This is a TV-only offer that is not available on Amazon, so call or click now.